People always have something to say about my body. Mum, the boys at school, everyone, which is weird because I didn't used to think about it at all. And then online it seems the same. Someone always needs to tell you something about how you look.
I play a lot of games, so I'm always online, but people are always talking about how they look, which is fine. Like, it's not really my thing. To each their own, you know? But on any picture or post I put up, doesn't matter what it is, someone will say something.
And some of it is nice, or, you know, it's meant to be nice. They're not calling you names or anything, but it's still weird knowing that anyone can say anything they like.
You're looking a little thin.
You've put on some weight.
Really feeling out these days.
Been to the gym, have you?
It suits you.
It doesn't.
Most of the time, I try not to be bothered because it's only people. And I can tell myself they're just messing. Like, they don't really care about how I look. But when it's not just one or two people, it's everyone, all the time, I just feel buried under all the comments. It's like I don't know what I really look like underneath what they see.
Once I lost her in the comments, I told everyone to leave me alone. I told them they were stupid, that I didn't care. People just took screenshots. They said I was dramatic, I had anger issues, I couldn't take a joke. I still get sent the screenshots. People I don't even know say that's what I'm like. And I can't even argue, because I did say it. I can't take it back.
Even if you like the way you look, that doesn't mean everyone else will. Me and my mate started putting some of our dances online, just as a laugh, but it made me feel good. I liked watching us. It was cool seeing other people's versions. It made me feel like I was part of something big. Then the comments started, and by the end I couldn't even tell when people were joking or when they were really saying nice stuff. Now I won't even let my mum put pictures of me online. I just don't want to give people a chance to take them.
If someone asks me to send them a photo of myself, I generally don't even know if there's one I could pick. Like, I know what I look like, but I don't think anyone would be able to look at a photo and see me. Like, not really me. So I just disappoint them when we meet up.
One person is easier to shut up than a group, and we keep making it easy to choose a group and forget that there's a person on the other end. It should be up to us to be happy with who we are and how we look.
Until people start seeing me for me, we'll keep shouting at each other and getting nowhere.